Hello students. So now let's begin this session with the worksheet, or let's do some MCQ multiple choice questions, fill-ups, match the following. So first MCQ is plants get nitrogen from air, soil, animals, or all of these. So we have studied that plants get nitrogen from soil, as there is a bacteria, rhizobium, that converts the nitrogen into nitrates. Now the second question is, the edible mushrooms are rich in proteins, sulfur, phosphorus, or all of these. So the edible mushroom are rich in proteins. Third question is, plants manufacture food in the form of starch, fructose, glucose, or proteins. So plants manufacture food in the form of glucose. Plants obtain carbon dioxide from air through stomata in leaf, xylem of root, leaf vein, or stem surface. So plants obtain carbon dioxide from air through stomata in leaf, as stomata are the tiny pores present under the surface of the leaf. Next question is, this is a partial parasite. Apodentis, Cascata, mistletoe, and none of these. So mistletoe is a partial parasite. Why partial parasite? Because mistletoe prepare their own food but depends on another for water and minerals. Next question is, all green plants are autotroph, as you all know. Next question is, organisms that live on other organisms are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are those organisms which depend on other organisms for their food. Eighth question, in iodine test, starch turns yellow, blue, black, green, or black. So in iodine test, starch turns blue, black in color. Now let's move on to the fill-ups. Chlorophyll is dash pigment present in dash. So chlorophyll is a green pigment present in plants. Chlorophyll traps energy from sun. Chlorophyll traps energy from sun, as sun is the ultimate source of energy. Dash and dash are absorbed by dash of the plants. So water and minerals are absorbed by roots of the plants. Next is, the occurrence of photosynthesis can be tested by the presence of dash in the leaf. So the occurrence of photosynthesis can be tested by the presence of chlorophyll in the leaf. Next, in dash plants, digestive juice is secreted to digest the insect. So in insectivorous plants, digestive juice is secreted to digest the insect. Next, the dash plant is a parasite and bears the largest flower in the world. So the Rafflesia plant is a parasite and bears the largest flower in the world. These are all the fill-ups with their answers. Now next is match the column. So column A and B. Column A, number 1, nutrition in non-green plants. So non-green plants are heterotrophic. Next is fungi. Fungi, as we all know, fungi are saprophyte because they depend on dead and decaying matter of plants and animals. Iodine is related to the starch because iodine gives blue black color. Starch gives blue black color in presence of iodine. Partial parasite is mistletoe. Now next is true and false. So first is, partial parasites make their food but depend on the host for water and minerals. So yes, it is true. Partial parasite is mistletoe and they make their food but depend on host or other plant for water and mineral. Next is, mode of nutrition in bacteria and fungi is symbiotic. This is a false statement. Mode of nutrition in bacteria and fungi is not symbiotic. The root nodules in leguminous plants have nitrifying bacteria It is a true statement. Yes, root nodules has leguminous plants have nitrifying bacteria. Rhizobium. Rhizobium converts the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Next is insectivorous plants traps and eat insect for supplementing their need for nitrogen. Yes, it is a true statement. Insectivorous plants traps and eat insect for supplementing their nitrogen demand. Now the next are skill based question. ये आपको खुद से ही करने हैं. तो I'm just explaining why are insectivorous plants called partially heterotrophs. Insectivorous plants को partially heterotrophs क्यों कहा जाता है? Because they are green plants, but they make their food by photosynthesis, but they trap and digest insect to meet their nitrogen need. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पिचर प्लांट. ये अभी हमने लास्ट जो वीडियो आप लोगों ने देखी होगी उसमें मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है पिचर प्लांट का कि वो किस तरह से अपने होस्ट को ट्रैप करता है एंड दे डाइजेस्ट देयर होस्ट. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डज कैस्केटा डिराइव इट्स न्यूट्रिशन. जो कैस्केटा है, कैस्केटा इज अमरबेल, वो अपना न्यूट्रिशन किस तरह से लेता है. तो कैस्केटा हैज अ येलो वायर लाइक स्टेम विच ट्विन्स अराउंड द होस्ट स्टेम एंड branches, and those special roots are known as hostoria. Those roots enter to the host stem to obtain the ready-made food. So cascata derive its nutrition. Last question is why do the leaves of a plant kept in dark become yellow? कि भाई जब हम किसी भी प्लांट के लीव्स को अगर हम डार्क में रख देते हैं, अंधेरे में रख देते हैं, सनलाइट में नहीं रखते हैं, तो वो येलो हो जाती हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? द लीव्स ऑफ अ प्लांट केप्ट इन डार्क बिकम येलो बिकॉज chlorophyll pigment will be rich only when it is shown towards the sunlight. But while placing it in the dark, the chlorophyll of the plant starts degrading. वो degrade करना शुरू हो जाता है and the plant cannot perform photosynthesis. Thank you so much, students. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day, all of you.